Where now it will go? All the monkey has come here and seated. See, huge number of the monkey army. Go, go there. Go there. All go to there. Weather is wet, and where it will go? All are sitting here. Monkey kids, all are standing from here and there. King in trouble. Huge the population of the monkey has been increased. Who will look after? This is not forest. This is village area, residential area. So all are standing here and there. Due to wet weather, not only human, animals, stray animals are also in trouble, panic, or could not decide where he went to go. Dry weather is good for him. He can stay anywhere, on the bamboo, on the tree, on a open landscape. But in wet weather, monsoon, it is very difficult to stay anywhere. I have watched that he does not like water on the body. He don't want to take bath. So it is very panic situation for these monkeys.